My name is Sisteró, and I'm the director and photographer of the last commercial for OPPO. I tried to use the OPPO to make some tricky shots. A mobile phone, it's easier to put it like in some small places or to move quick from one place to another. I was quite surprised of the capabilities that the phone has to make pictures at night. It was super cool. I have a lot of experience with non-actors, like with real people. I love documentary. We are recreating Joana's world and Joana's path through the victory. She needs to fight for her goals. We have to portray really strong female characters. I don't like to be treated as a female director. I like to be treated as a director. The idea of like filming with her and doing this piece at night, like atmosphere and everything, it was kind of like, I really want to do this.